no oil pressure light.
Mate, fucking oil.
That's not a happy TT right now. No. Yeah, I had to turn it back on there, and it turned off because there wasn't enough power. And I tried to move forwards, and it's low on power, and the oil pressure light just came on as soon as I drove through a few meters there.
Have you turned the engine off now?
No. Should I turn it off for a while?
Yeah, we'll jump back out.
Is that I overcooked the oil or what? There's oil in there.
There is oil in there, that's the main thing. Start it back up again.
Okay. It won't start. Engine ceased.
Nice, bro. I knew you'd need this one day.
I knew I'd need it one day as well. I made sure it was always in the car.
Right. Is it reverse thread? Some of mine. No, no more. I wonder if I have a towing eye in the back of mine. I don't think I do. I think I put it in the S3, you know.
So what? So you haven't got a tow now. What we're gonna do?
See if it starts again, probably. Might have pulled down a bit now.
Go on then, mate. It's still smoking inside it though.
Maybe not getting anymore, mate.
No, it's not. We just need to...
I think when it was so hot, your engine was like 130 degrees and everything was swelling up, but it's cooled down a bit now, isn't it?
Do I leave it cool down?
Leave it running.
Leave it running?
Yeah, because it's circulating then. All the hot spots are radiating even out.
We're going to try and drive the hazards down the hard shoulder and see what happens. I dare you to drive it.
Step back.
It's clicking a lot worse than it was when we...
Do you want to give it a go? We'll go off the top and go from that way.
Okay.
Is your valve stemming?
No valve stemming, but you're hearing those sounds, mate. Yeah, get it as far as possible. I think I'm just going to kill it at this point.
Now.
Yeah, mate, I heard you smash it.
Huh?
I heard you smash it.
Oh,
I've opened it.
was just trying to get you out the road. Mate, that engine is dead.
Yeah, I heard it pop.
What popped down here? Oh, mate, I can see a conrod. Can you see the conrod through the block? There's a hole in your block, fam.
Oh shit, son.
Fair play. Congratulations, bro. You got a hole in your block.
My first block.
Oh, bro. You ain't never done a block like this before. Now you have. Dumbledore. Supposed to see you from here, baby girl. Oh, that's why she stopped. She got a hole in the block.
So,
we need to get you pushed somewhere.
I don't really know, pal.
Mate, I think we're best just fucking put it on that bit of pavement there for the moment. Oh. Right where my car is, there's a space. We should push it there, I reckon. Mate, you ain't supposed to have a conrod there. Oh, mate, it just jumped out. It just jumped out. Look, it's there now. Oh. Mate, you might as well get this fucking tube out your face so you can see it. Can you see it poking out?
No, not really. I don't know why.
What are you doing? There's fucking oil all over the floor. Alright, tell you what, let's push it.
Alright. You get in the car, I'll push you.
No, we're both push.
Yeah. Oh. Farewell, baby girl. Farewell.
Is that it? She's on, brother. That parking light's still on that Mercedes. In of it, in of it, in of it, in of it. There it is, just sitting there. Hold that for a second, Hamza. You reach under, you can probably grab it. You see it just poking out?
Yeah, I see it. It's like right there.
Right there, the conrod is half in, half out the block.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Try and get it. Mind your head a sec? I'll try and get it out.
Wait, that's massive fucking, I blew that right out.
Oh.
Did that just fall in?
It fell in, you got a magnet?
No.
It was just like hooked out.
Bloody hell. Where's the dip? Oh, there's the tube. There was definitely oil in it though.
Huh?
There was definitely oil in it.
Yeah, some sort of cream at the bottom now. You think you baked it?
Baked.
Yeah.
It's like a Jacobs.
Fucking Great British Bake Off. There's barbecue sauce, bruv. Have a smell on that. Can you smell that? Smell the burning on it. That's Texas barbecue. Watch.
Yeah, now you can see it. Now you really can see it.
Webbing.
Yeah.
And then the fucking Conroy's having lay down in there like, hello.
Wow. We made it, mate, and it wasn't that bad, right? Exactly.
I want to get that comrade out. I'm looking at it like.
Why do you want to get it out so bad?
I just want to look at it, see what level of fuck it has. I want to know where these big bits of blockers on as well. They're in tow somewhere. Probably put a hole in someone's tyre somewhere. You never know, do you?
Never know.
That is a big old fucking hole, mate.
It's a window.
It's a door. I like the way it's shaped like a Sasquatch. That's quite cool. It's got like a head, shoulders, legs.
It will be an interesting thing to drop this engine and see what...
I reckon if you just reach in there like that, you can grab it from the bottom.
What, from the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we'd need to jack it up. There's no way you're getting in there. Any luck?
No, I couldn't quite get it because I can only get 2 fingers in.
Yeah. Problem is doing it, we're quite cleanly dressed today, so the problem is either us getting on the floor.
I did lay on the floor.
Oh, you did?
But I can only get 2 fingers in the hole.
Okay.
See, there's the conrod there. The bit I'm lifting up with a dipstick. Where it's so dark and black in it. See that?
me to hold the
I just
torch?
spun it round.
Do you want me to hold the torch?
Probably best if I just left it still.
Like you said, everything's going to be fucked in there. I'm not fussed, so...
Are you ready, kids?
That's seized.
She's seized as a motherfucker. Yep, she's welded.
She's welded shut, yeah?
She's welded. Start that sounds good, mate.
Starter motor sounds good. Anyone want to buy a starter motor? Well, I thought that was going to be more fun than it was.
Not what it lasted.
It was fun while she lasted. On to a new TT, I guess.
Zzzz.
I can't get away from the Zoozizi. Liz, trust me.
I wonder if your oil stayed out of your coil packs. Yeah, that's a shame. They're good or wrong.
They're good, aren't they?
Yeah, they're good as well.
I think she was...
Not even full of oil.
Where she was hesitating before, I reckon it must have been something. It must have just recirculated back into the oil pickup line or something. Just starved the engine of oil, and then that was it, because there was a blockage. Almost like a... what do you call it? Like a... what do you call it? Blood clot. Almost like a blood clot, but with oil. Got an oil clot.
I think your turbo. I think what happened. You see this pipe here, this metal one, that goes directly to your turbo. See this steel braided hose? Goes all the way around there, all the way up to there. Judging by the way your turbo was glowing, I'd say that was not lubricated.
Yeah.
It was just spinning for days, just for fun.
Must have been spinning for a while by the time it got to catastrophic failure, to be honest.
Yeah.
What engine swaps do they put in these? 6 litre V8s.
Nothing, mate. It's just the engine.
Nah, I'm not going to swap anything in there. I'm just going to get the exact same engine and put it in there.
That's in gear. See if we can make the engine move at all. She's seized, girl. She ain't going nowhere. Should I try and tell you like that?
Huh?
We should have had a look around there while it's still connected to the tow bar.
Yeah.
I could try turning you in gear, see if it blows up my clutch or your engine.
Mate, that'll be... Bro, let's do it, but backwards. It sounds to me like you're up for a bit of fun.
We're here now.
Pull it out, turn it around, and we'll just rag it down that...
Just fucking spray this alley with oil. Up the walls and everything. She might have appreciate that. There was a lot of that going on last night.
Yeah.
Wonder if it's still smoking.
Doubt it.
Hello mate, how we doing?
Seems fine to me.
She did.
She did. It's okay, we'll get another one.
Like Americans. Just buy another one.
Just buy another one, mate. Chris wanted to call me today about drive shafts. I was like, I blew up my TT, mate. I don't know if we're going to be able, because he was passing through here. He wanted to talk to us about how to do it. It's the end of the story, is it? Sorry, girl.
Oh well.
Sorry, girl. I do feel bad for her.
One for luck, in gear. No? Okay.